Hello students, welcome to Trini's tutoring. This is chapter 29, ratio. We are going to learn find ratio with simplest form. Let's learn exercise 29.2. Exercise 29.2. First sum is a school has 20 teachers and 480 students. What is the teacher is to student ratio in its simplest form? So what is given in the question, that is teachers equals to 20, students equals to 480. What we have to do, we have to write in the ratio form. So teacher is to students. So teacher is 20, students is 480. Now what we have to do, we have to do the simplest form, simplification. So first we get 0 cancel. So what is remaining? 2 is to 48. Again we are doing the simplification by 2 table. So 1 is to 24. Second question, a college has 250 staff and 3,500 students. What is the staff is to student ratio in its simplest form? So what is given? Staff equals to 250, students equals to 3,500. So first step, we have to write them in the ratio form. Staff is to student. Staff is 250. Students are 3,500. So 250 is to 3,500. So first we have to do the simplest form. So what we are doing, first we get 0 cancel. The remaining is 25 is to 35. Again we have to do the simplest form. So we are doing this by 5 table. So 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. So the final answer is 5 is to 7. Third sum, a town in America has 2,400 families and 4,200 cars. What is the family is to car ratio? A question is in its simplest form, B is in the form 1 is to n. So what is given in the question? Family is equals to 2,400. Cars equals to 4,200. So what we have to do? We have to write in the ratio form. So family is to cars. So family is 2,400 is to 4,200. So the first step, that 2 zeros we got cancelled. So what is remaining? 24 is to 42. We can simplify these two numbers, right? So both will go by 6 table. So 6 fours are 24. 6 sevens are, it's a 42. So the answer is 4 is to 7. B question is in the form 1 is to n. So 1 is to 7 by 4 is the final answer. How we got 7 by 4 here? So both sides we have to divide by 4. So the final answer is 1 is to 7 by 4. Fourth question. An alloy contains copper and tin in the ratio 3 is to 1. 40 gram of tin is used to make the alloy. How much copper is used? So what is given? Copper equals to 3, tin equals to 1. That is 3 is to 1. So used tin is 40 gram. So tin equals to 1. That means 1 equals to 40 grams. Now what we have to find it, how much copper is used. So copper equals to 3. So 3 equals to 40 into 3. So 40 into 3 is 120 grams. So how much copper is used? That is 120 grams. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.